How to fix your TikTok account has been permanently banned issue. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can recover your banned TikTok account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. Now the reason why your TikTok account has been banned might be due to you violating some community guidelines. So what you'll need to do is make an appeal to the TikTok. So for that, open up a web browser and simply search for unbanned TikTok account. After you search for it, you will get the TikTok Help Center's website. Head over there, tap on account safety, and after you're here, you will need to scroll down. Now scroll down till you find an option called Contact Us. Now it's right around here. Tap on Contact Us and it will redirect you to another page. Now after you're on the Report a Problem page, simply choose a topic. Now under topic, choose general account inquiry. After you're here under category, scroll down and you will see account recovery or recover account. Now there are other options such as banned account and many more. So you can choose either banned account or account recovery. After you choose that, what you'll need to do is you'll need to add your Gmail address. Now make sure that you add the Gmail address that you have associated with your account that has been banned. After you type in your email address, type in your username. After you type in your username, scroll down and you should just type in your additional details. Now here what you'll need to do is you will need to make an appeal. For that, make sure that you write your account has been banned due to unknown reasons and misunderstanding. Just tell them that you have not violated any community guidelines and ask them for help to recover and unban your TikTok account. After you do that, make sure that you add your username and email address again under additional details. You can even add an attachment here and make sure that you confirm these statements. After you do that, tap on submit and your problem should get submit and you will get an email where you can just recover your account, and it's that simple. And that is all for the video guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.